Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving into some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is what is the main function of regulatory T cells? Tracks A. Activating other immune cells. B. Suppressing immune response to prevent autoimmunity. C. Producing antibodies. And D. Engulfing pathogens. So the correct option is B. Suppressing immune response to prevent autoimmunity. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of passive natural immunity? A. Immunization with a vaccine. B. Transfer of antibodies through placenta. C. Injection of antitoxins. And D. Exposure to a pathogen. So the correct option is B. Transfer of antibodies through placenta. The next MCQ is what is the role of dendritic cells in the immune system? A. Producing antibodies. B. Engulfing and presenting antigens to T cells. B. C. Destroying infected cells. And D. Producing cytokines. So the correct option is B. Engulfing and presenting antigens to T cells. The next MCQ is which of the following is a characteristic of innate immunity? A. Memory formation. B. Specificity to antigen. C. Immediate response. And D. Long lasting protection. So the correct option is C. Immediate response. The next MCQ is what is the function of antibodies in the immune response? A. Directly killing pathogens. B. Neutralizing pathogens and marking them for destruction. C. Producing cytokines. And D. Activating T cells. So the correct option is B. Neutralizing pathogens and marking them for destruction. The next MCQ is which type of white blood cell is most abundant in the human body? A. Lymphocytes. B. Monocytes. C. Neutrophils. And D. Eosinophils. So the correct option is C. Neutrophils. The next MCQ is what is the role of the complement system in the immune response? A. Producing antibodies. B. Enhancing the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear pathogens. C. Activating T cells. And D. Producing histamine. So the correct option is B. Enhancing the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear pathogens. The next MCQ is which type of molecule is in immunoglobulin? So A. Antigens. Second option antibodies. Third option cytokine. And the last option is interferon. So the correct option is antibody. B is the correct option. The next MCQ is which cells are primarily involved in the adaptive immune response? A. Neutrophils and macrophages. B. B cells and T cells. C. Natural killer cells. And D. mast cell. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what is the role of major histocompatibility complex molecule? A. Engulfing pathogens. B. Presenting antigens fragment to T cells. C. Producing antibodies. And D. Destroying infected cells. So the correct option is B. Presenting antigens fragments to T cells. The next MCQ is what is opsonization? A. The engulfing of pathogens by phagocytes. B. The marking of pathogens for destruction by antibodies. C. The production of antibodies. And D. The activation of T cells. So the correct option is B. The marking of pathogens for destruction by antibodies. The next MCQ is which type of cell is responsible for the release of purpurine and granzymes. A. B cells. B. Helper T cells. And C. Cytotoxic T cells. And D. Macrophages. So the correct option is C. Cytotoxic T cells. The next MCQ is what is the primary function of B lymphocytes? B cells. A. Engulfing pathogens. B. Producing antibodies. C. Activating T cells. And D. Releasing histamine. So the correct option is B. Producing antibodies. The next MCQs is which of the following is a feature of the secondary immune response? A. It occurs slower than the primary response. B. It has a higher magnitude and is faster than the primary response. C. It involves only innate immune cells. And D. It does not involve memory cells. So the correct option is B. It has a higher magnitude and is faster than the primary response. The next MCQs is what is the function of antigen presenting T cells? A. Producing antibodies. B. Engulfing and digesting pathogens. C. Presenting antigen fragments to T cells. And D. Producing cytokines. So the correct option is C. Presenting antigen fragments to T cells. The next MCQs is which type of immune cells are involved in the formation of first A. B cells, B. Neutrophils, C. T cells, and D. Macrophages. So the correct option is B. Neutrophils. The next MCQs is what is the main function of suppressor regulatory T cells? A. Producing antibodies. B. Enhancing immune response. C. Suppressing immune response to maintain tolerance and prevent autoimmunity. And D. Engulfing pathogen. So the correct option is C. Suppressing immune response to maintain tolerance and prevent autoimmunity. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.